Magnolia Research and Development's hydraulic slip connector, the fastest slip makeup you'll ever see in your life, including testing the coil when it's empty, as this one is, because it's a test on the vise. So we have the coil here, just a test piece, empty of course. I've already slid on the slip connector, required no wrenches or hammers or nothing. We just slid it on, and now I'm going to go ahead, test the O-rings, flip a switch, set the slips. Then I'll remove this and I'll show you the thread that's ready to make up to your BHA. We're going to take the coil test up to 5,000 psi. And that's a 5,000 psi test. So I'll let you see that on the camera. 5,200. Now we'll bleed that pressure off. We will now flip the valve here to divert the pressure to the slip setting port, which is on the opposite side, and you'll actually hear the slip set and clamp onto the coil tubing. We'll increase the pressure on the slips to 5,000 psi, and that will give us a solid anchoring force on the coil. There's your 5,000 psi slip setting force. We do not use the hydraulic pressure to hold the connector in place. We simply bleed off the pressure. That's it, bled off. We disconnect our hydraulic lines. And then to get access to the thread, we simply spin off the valve. And that leaves you with the thread looking down to make up your bottom hole assembly. Should you care to do this, you can make up your quick connectors. I'm doing this one-handed today. And you can make up the Magnolia quick connect bottom hole assemblies now. Put this back here. And now you can quick connect your entire BHA by hand.